New program has helped almost 100 families in El Paso County avoid being evicted from their homes. The purpose is to resolve disagreements between landlords and tenants while providing resources. Our Devin Karp explains how it works.
Since the program started in late November, the Fourth Judicial Court says they've helped nearly 100 families as they try to make a difficult process easier for people who need help.
We got to try it. We have to see what works and what doesn't.
Staff with the Fourth Judicial Court say the district, which is made up of El Paso and Teller counties, is among the top in the state when it comes to eviction numbers.
The number of repeat evictions is startling.
In 2021, there were more than 4,000 eviction cases filed. That number jumped to almost 7,000 last year, and already more than 600 cases have been filed this month alone.
Evictions are a really crippling and traumatic event for individuals and families.
Housing nonprofit Homeward Pikes Peak says people facing evictions often struggle to take advantage of resources in our area, and that an eviction can lead to homelessness.
But when evictions happen, and it goes through that formal process, it affects their credit, and it lasts for 7 years. So our ability to rehouse someone after they have an eviction on their record is next to impossible.
At the Fourth Judicial Courthouse, Magistrate Papsiski says she often found herself telling evictees about resources and wanted to create a program to help tenants avoid evictions while giving them access to nonprofit services.
It seemed wrong to just send them off with this bad outcome. And, you know, we are obligated to apply the facts to the law. And that's what I do every day. But to send them off without resources felt like going to the doctor with a diagnosis, but not offering them help.
It's called the Eviction Diversion Program and the Court-Assisted Recovery from Eviction, or CARE. It was made possible by an almost $310,000 grant from the National Center for State Courts. It provides tenants and landlords the opportunity to avoid a court-filed eviction while helping evicted tenants find housing and resources.
Landlords have legitimate needs for people to get evicted. Tenants have legitimate reasons for why they got there and they need help.
It's made possible with 22 local nonprofits, something Community Health Partnership is looking to help expand.
What supports do they currently have? What do they not have? What does another agency have? We want to try to streamline the process.
In 2018, our reporting on squatters led to Senate Bill 15, a law to help homeowners evict unwanted guests. The court says this program does not affect that.
This doesn't apply to squatter cases. So those are called removal of unauthorized persons cases. Those are distinct and not part of the program.
Still, the court hopes other jurisdictions in the state will adopt the program, seeing it as a benefit for landlords and tenants.
It helps everyone in the long term if we can make sure that people are housed, that people can maintain some continuity in their lives, because with less economic disruption in our community, we all win.
The court says funding for the program is going to end next year, but they hope the state legislature will step up and provide support so the program can continue to be successful. In Colorado Springs, I'm Devin Karp, News 5.
Several